Knock, knock. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
I swung by your box on the way in, and I picked up all your stuff for today.
Okay, great.
We're scheduled to work together this week.
Okay, so you're doing thoracic rotation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it your first or second
This is
rotation?
my second one.
Second rotation. And how's it going so far?
So far, so good. I worked with Dr. Sakon last week, and I think I definitely learned some things. So I for sure have places to go, but I'm feeling a little bit more confident, starting to get a handle on it a little bit better.
That's great. I remember the first, we worked a few times in GI as well,
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do we have today? What do we want to work on?
So one of the things that I have found over the last kind of week was that I haven't been getting a ton of biopsies, and it's an area that I'm feeling a little bit less comfortable with, sort of developing my differential diagnosis and my approach to those types of cases.
Okay.
So
Do you feel confident with resections?
I had quite a number of them last week, and then also in my first rotation. So I'm feeling a lot more comfortable there. So ideally, kind of small biopsies, core needle biopsies would be.
And
where I
is
wanna
there
focus.
so core needle biopsies? Do you know if we have some today?
Yeah. I was actually flipping through the stuff on the way here, and it looks like there's a decent number of them. It's here that they start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and how many of those have you done in the past?
I would say maybe like 3 last week, and then a few kind of here and there in my first rotation.
Yeah.
But not enough to feel, really comfortable with them yet.
Okay. And have you gone through to see if it's? Do you want to work more in neoplastic conditions, non-neoplastic conditions?
At this point in time, neoplastic, I think, is the best place to focus.
Okay. And you think these biopsies are going to cover it?
Well, we'll see. You never know what you're going to get until you start. But they do look like they are for possible cancers.
Okay,
for the
that's
most
great.
part.
So let's do the following. I think it's a great point. So look at these cases. I'm going to give you another resection so you can work on it as well. And while I work on these cases, try to go through them and use the WHO classification 2015 book for you to just go through the cases, and if you have any doubt. And then we meet later today. How does your schedule look like?
So I'm covering frozen sections for one of my co-residents from 12 till 1 while they have tumor board rounds.
Okay.
But other than that, I'm pretty open.
Okay, that's good. So I think you're going to have enough time to cover these cases until then.
Okay.
And I have a meeting from 1 to 2.
Okay.
So why don't we meet at 2 p.m. here? Is that okay
Sure.
for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
that
we're
sounds
gonna
good.
have
I
a
should be
couple
able to get through these
That's great.
guys. Yeah.
See you then.
Yeah. Perfect. Sounds good. Thanks.
You're welcome. Could you please close the door when you leave?
Yes, of
Thank you.
course.